Hello, I'm Bree.
And I'm Randall Levings, and we are the instructors in Seward County's Auto Body Collision Repair Program.
In our program, we teach everything connected to the way automobiles look.
That could be repairs to a fender bender or a major upgrade to make a vehicle look amazing.
Estimating,
Non-structural repair,
welding and cutting,
refinishing,
plastic repair,
and mechanical and electrical repair.
Our students also take part in an ASC Master Certified Training Program,
which means students receive state-of-the-art, industry-driven curriculum, job readiness and placement assistance, and experience working on real-world projects.
Past projects have included students' own vehicles and jobs for local customers.
When you graduate, you will be ready for work in the real world. Potential jobs include body repair, refinishing, automotive frame or glass technician, automotive detailer, body shop assistant, or auto body supply employee.
In the Auto Body Collision Repair Program, we do everything possible to function like a family. We care about our students' lives on and off campus.
When you sign up for this program, you become part of a tight-knit group. In past years, we've run car washes and detailing appointments to raise funds.
We've taken trips to Las Vegas to the SEMA conference.
We also filled a semi-trailer with food donations for hurricane victims.
In the 17 years I have been part of Seward, our program has grown and changed, but the sense of community is still the same.
If you are interested in what we do, give us a call or email to schedule an appointment to visit us on campus.